Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality of price hiding in document. Let me show you how it works and from where you can enable it. So first of all, you need to click on all modules, then go to settings module. So why we need to go in settings module? Because this is a part of team permission. We need to go ahead and activate it from team permission, and that team will not be able to see the prices on document. How? Go to teams. Now here, suppose I'm in management team, so I will show you on my profile. So I will quickly go to the permission part. Now once the permission will open, go to the very bottom. In the very bottom, please check these are some of the options for price side. So price in item detail, price in purchase document, so price in sales document. So what I will do, I will just turn off the show price in sales document and show price in purchase document, and I will save this permission. Once I saved, I will quickly go back to our sales and purchase module. Just a moment, let me quickly go back there. Hold on. Yeah, so I will go to sales and purchase, and now I will create one purchase order. Click on purchase. I will select any of the random supplier. Now after selecting it, I will quickly just mention Wolf purchase, delivery date is 15th. Go below. I will quickly just mention the item, butterfly valve, quantity I mentioned. Fine. Now please check here. The entire amount price is coming. What I will do, I will quickly go below and I will save and confirm. So once I saved and confirm, and if I go below, please check there is no price in this document. So this is how you can go ahead and hide the price from the document, and accordingly the team whom you will not allow will not be able to see the price on document. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and hide the pricing on document. Have a good day ahead.